Hello again from the testbed in Tianjin. We are excited to show you a new use case together with our partner Holo-Light. I'd like to introduce you to Louis Bollinger, who is one of the founders of Holo-Light. Holo-Light was founded in 2015 and is specialized in immersive software and technologies. So Louis, could you tell us a little bit more about your use case with omlox?
Yeah, thank you very much. At Holo-Light, we enable the streaming of augmented and virtual reality applications, as well as a centralized management of AR/VR applications. And we have access to the omlox hub and receive location data from packages, products inside a factory, machines, and the AR/VR devices itself. And this allows us to create an indoor navigation use case where users and technicians are guided to specific locations inside a factory. This opens up new possibilities.
That sounds really exciting. So let's get started with the use case.